Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Does CAM drive accurate with reliable surveillance? This is the brand. Motion detection, night vision, wide view angle, seamless loop recording, large aperture. With a cost only 18 euros. It is a cheap camera, so let's open the box to find out more about this product. And what are you getting for 18 euros? Included we have in the manual. Cigarette lighter adapter with an output 12 volt or 24 volt, 5 volt 1 amp, and the cable length it is 3 meters. And we have an LED indicator here. Type-C connection, the suction cup with a bracket, adjustable, not the best quality. Install that here. Okay, and it locks. And we have the camera. At the front it is the display, the shutter button, LED indicator here, power button, OK button, up and down button, and the M button. Micro SD slot here. I will install 128 GB. The microphone and the reset hole. Type-C connection and the AV in hole. Here it is the passenger camera, adjustable, you can rotate that. Adjust it. 1080p lens with a wide angle 170 degrees, the speaker, and inside it has 150 mAh lithium battery. The 4 lights for the night vision, and let's power it on. And instantly is starting to record. Let me cover the two cameras and we can see the day, the hour is recording 1080p. With the right button you can unmute the microphone here. With the on-off button you can switch off the display, turn it on. OK button you can stop recording. Resume recording, and with the M button you can watch the footage. Later I will show you photos or videos. Now to go at the settings, press and hold the M button. With the OK button you can choose resolution, up and down button, 1080p, 720p, 1080p, and VGA. OK, image quality 1, 2 and 3 megapixel. Cycle record of 3 minutes, 5 minutes or 10 minutes, 10 minutes. White balance, auto, sunlight, cloudy, you have some options. EV, and here motion detection, on or off, on, audio, on or off, on, parking wake, on or off, on, date tag, the same, on or off, on, G sensor, low, medium or high, and off, high, beep sound, on, off. Time setting, it is OK. Auto power off, 1 minute, 3 minutes, or off. Language settings, and you can choose one of these languages. English, flicker, 50 or 60 Hz, fill light, off, on or auto, screensavers, 3, 5 or 10 minutes or off, format the SD card, cancel, reset system, cancel, and the version. That is all the settings. With the M button you can go at the main screen, and with the up button you can change the layout of the cameras at the display. This is the passenger, the main camera, both cameras, passenger on the left and on the right the main camera, and the opposite, and again back. Now if I will remove the cable, it will switch off in a few seconds. Automatically is starting to record. Off recording with the OK button, and because the motion is activated, there it is, it's starting to record again. Stop recording, it will sense motion, and start recording. And again. So let's install into my car and check the video quality at the day and at the night. If you are someone who cares about your safety and want to have a good camera in your car and be able to use it when you need it most, such as in a car accident, then this camera is definitely not for you. The poor quality adapter made it difficult to attach to the car and find the right spot, and even fell off a couple of times while I was driving. Has a small wide angle lens that cannot capture the whole of my car, making it difficult to get the right footage. The quality of the video is very low. It's definitely not 1080p. You can see that clearly on my video. And even the co-driver's camera is struggling to get a decent shot, worse than the main camera. And moving at the night makes it worse. You can see the details of the number plates that will help you in a car accident. Don't waste your time buying a cheap camera that won't keep you safe. Take it seriously and buy something that will help you at the right time. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more dashcam reviews, car gadget and road safety tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe, drive smart, and I'll see you in the next video.